Good morning.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Matthew.
Matthew.
Yeah. Thanks for all your videos, man.
Thank you.
We've been waiting for this.
Yeah. We set a new record today. You are number 60.
All right.
It's gonna be kind of rough today, so just be careful.
Yeah, I got a buddy coming, a partner coming.
Okay.
That we'll push together.
Yeah. We're gonna meet out here as you go out to the right a little bit at 11:30.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
Good luck.
Yeah, thanks.
Morning.
Good morning. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Samuel.
No, it's not mine.
It's been there a while.
I gave you the map to the local places in the Delta area
Oh, okay.
for because you're gonna move to Tracy.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
Yeah, no
I
problem.
appreciate it.
Yeah, and you're definitely not 4'9".
No.
Yeah,
He's
you're not
66 and
66.
66
You're
and
not
4'9".
It's all over LA, man. Okay, gotcha. I'm gonna be here 11:30, right on the beach. Okay.
We'll be here. Can I get the Surf Perch Masters
Do us a favor and
autograph on my
get a
rod
picture.
here?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
This is the shot button's right here, right?
Yeah, it's just a point and shoot.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Hey, we get a picture with you?
Sure,
Taking
yeah.
off to California.
You
Definitely.
taught us everything we've ever wanted
Yeah.
to know about surf perch fishing.
The swell is kind of rough today, so be really careful.
Sweet.
Yeah.
And then how far do you drive up?
Pretty far, I think.
Signs or whatever?
Yeah, whatever the sign says up there.
So is all 70 people here already?
Yeah, 72 people are fishing right now
Man,
on the beach.
Early. I know.
Yeah.
It's okay, the big one's still out there though.
Cool. Yeah.
Awesome, right? The 9-pounder's still out there.
Good luck.
Morning, TJ.
Morning, guys.
I'm Luke and Shannon Hansen.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. All right. Let's see. Boy, man, I got 3 sheets of the most we've ever had for sure.
That's great.
All right. I'm gonna get your name first.
Luke, L-U-K-E.
Okay.
And then Shannon.
Surface kind of rough, so be careful.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
sounds
All right. Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay, guys, I got everyone checked in. It is a little windy out there. It is not the ideal condition. The surf is kind of rough, but you know, what can you do, right? You just take what Mother Nature gives you. Wow, it is really bad out there. We have a new record, guys. So we have a total of 79 people on my list, and I believe there is 1 or 2 more that has not checked in yet. So we have about 80 to 81. That's a brand new record. The biggest turnout so far. So I'm just gonna suit up and get out there and talk to people. This is the biggest turnout, but it is the worst weather. I've been doing this for what, 3 years now? And in the past, the weather has been really, really good. This is the first tournament where it's really bad. Bad in terms of the swell. It's about 5 to 7 feet, and the wind is pretty nasty right now. You're RJ, you're number 80. Okay, you gonna join too?
Sure.
Okay, what's your name?
Ricky.
Well, here we are, guys. Pretty nasty, as you can see. Woo! Any luck? 2?
Yeah, that's about it.
Nice. How big?
Oh, it's small size.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Pretty nasty.
Yeah. Oh, good beach. That's my first time meeting you, so yeah.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Morning. Any luck?
Okay, like the first third cast I had something on called like a red tail.
Yeah.
Lost it. And I've had a few silvers hit.
Okay.
They're my typical.
But as you're walking back, keep your bail open.
Yeah.
So that way you keep out.
So I don't lose it all.
Right, yeah.
The other thing, I've been flipping the bail pretty quick too because the wind just takes it like
Right.
Astoria.
Uh-huh.
So
It's a challenge to fish in this wind. So far, I've only talked with one person who's caught fish, so it's been kind of slow. loaded deep. I'm not gonna go. Huh?
Word on the street.
The street it's dead.
Yeah.
One guy caught 2, and that's the only person I've talked to that's caught fish. How about you? Anything?
I was here yesterday actually.
Yeah.
Just to scout the place out. I caught one on my very first cast.
Yeah.
And then I cast it out again. I cast out again. 10 times later. They must have talked to each other out there.
I think so.
They learned of my maneuvers.
Yeah.
And we must have all talked to each other after that.
Exactly.
I scared everything off afterwards. So.
Morning. How you doing?
Not too good. I got my freaking gear all tangled.
Oh no.
Yeah, it'll take a little bit of time. Anybody catch anything yet?
I've talked with, I think, 6 people and 1 person caught 2. That's about it. Any luck?
Silver.
1 silver?
Yeah. Just going back.
And sand crab, he caught 8.
Yeah, I'm using sand crab right now, and yeah, no luck.
Silver?
Yeah, one red tail and one flatfish.
Okay. I talked, only 1 person did well that I talked with down there. He caught 8
Nice.
on sand crab. I did, I made about 20 casts and then I gave up. It's too rough. The thing is this rough surf kind of keeps you on shore too much, so you can't get that distance. The total weight's gonna count. And then there's the biggest fish prize. That's it? Anybody else? Robin? Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Wow. This is hip Newen. Okay, hip's gonna have, oh yeah, 959. Good job. All right, so this one's gonna come in at 138. Okay. Sorry, the name is
Todd Homie.
Todd Homie. Todd Homie has 1.49. Nice catch. Okay, name?
Robert.
Robert, 104.
It'll weigh more now while it's sanded.
Yep. Now it's even more.
Yeah. Yes.
1.22.
Oh, 1.22. That's good.
Yeah, not bad. So, biggest fish right here. Sorry, it's kind of ghetto.
Yeah.
But I'll bring some envelopes next time. Okay. See, the first place goes to Hip. He comes in at 9.59. Good job. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Second place is going to be Mikey. He comes in at 5.38. Good job, son.
Thanks, Dad.
Yeah. Okay, second. Okay, third place is Robert Bach. 4.32.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Next one is going to be the fourth place, Max Chubak. Congrats, man.
Thank you. Good job, Max.
Fifth place, Don Vu. I swear you win at every tournament, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, sixth place, Max, 2.87.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming. So that was, okay, 2 more to go. Seventh place, we have Mark Anderson. Thank you. Okay, last but not least, we have 8th place, Armando Ferrer. Thanks for coming. Okay, trophy time. The first place, who was hip? First place is right here. It's a little bit wet, but totally waterproof.
That's good.
Thanks again.
Yeah.
The first, the second. So for those who won, please stay behind, okay? Okay, next one, second place was Mikey. Is that right? Yeah, Mikey.
Get a medal, man. Get up there.
Right here. Good job. Okay, so third place what do we got third? Robert. Congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are there any questions, concerns, comments, suggestions, advice, how I can improve this? This is what, my 3rd year doing it. You know, I'm still learning. So if you guys have any advice, you can tell me now, or you can email me, and so on and so on. But
Closer to Portland.
closer to Portland?
Yeah.
Okay.
I told you, closer to Portland. How people will show up. Look at this.
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah, this is actually the, I'm sorry?
A trout tournament.
Trout tournament.
Yeah, keep it served.
Yeah, keep it a surf. So far, I was quite surprised, guys. We have 84 people who showed up. Okay, that's a new record by far, by about 50. Okay, I'm quite surprised. So thank you for coming.
Yeah.
It was the weather that brought us, man.
Yeah, this is pretty awesome. I guess if I kind of announce it like ahead of time, a month and a half, more people are gonna know about it. So they're gonna plan for it. So I'll try to do that next year, maybe like a 4 or 5 months in advance notice. So you know you can plan your summer. And I think hopefully we're gonna have the same or even more turnout would be great. I know some of you guys want it in like Northern Oregon, but the people who are in Southern Oregon, they complain. And if I have it in Southern Oregon, the people in the North are gonna complain. So it's kind of hard to kind of meet you guys in the middle. Maybe Newport, because that's kind of smack in the middle. Okay, that's why I said Ona Beach.
Conference and Southern Conference. They're finals.
Okay, so later in the day, would you guys think that'd be better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The fight is better in the morning, though, right?
I'm sorry?
The fight is better in the morning, though, right?
Yeah, usually. But we can do like, I don't know, maybe 8.
I tied her up too.
Yeah? Okay. I know the surf is kind of rough today, but it's kind of hard to plan for that. You know, you just gotta do what Mother Nature gives you. I mean, it's not the best weather, but I don't want to cancel it because I know many of you have traveled very far from out of state. I think when I plan the next one, I'll just say, you know, this is the surf. It's gonna be rough, just like today. If you want to come. If you don't, you can cancel on your own, okay? So just remember, anything above 5 to 6 feet, as you can see, it's pretty gnarly. Okay, I made about 20 casts and I said, okay, I'm done.
Yeah. Get some people to help you. This is awful big. This is great.
Yeah.
You should try getting involved.
Yeah, I think that's what we'll do next time. I think if this is a trend, I don't think I can manage this all by myself. So next time, definitely I'll get volunteers.
Especially if you get more people showing up.
What's that?
Especially if you get more people showing up.
Yeah, yeah.
It's an institution now.
Yeah.
Yep. Again, I can't thank you guys enough for showing up. This is pretty awesome. Coming.
Thanks again. I'll shoot you an email. I'm willing to help volunteer to
Awesome.
help with this.
No problem.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You're going to be catching California stripers now.
I hope so.
Right up.
Yeah, I need to mark that off my list.
Thanks. This is great.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming.
All right, well, thank you.
Yep.
We get a picture taken?
Sure, yes.
Got it.
Got it. Thank you. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Awesome. Awesome tournament. Huh? Hats?
Get a picture?
Sure.
Third place.
We can take one more. Okay, want to check it before we go?
Sure. Thanks.
Okay, sure.
Thanks again.
Yeah, thanks for coming, guys.
Yeah, thanks. We were watching your YouTube videos and we caught our first surf burst from watching your videos. So
Awesome.
we're like, we have to show up to this one before he leaves.
Yeah, it's pretty fun, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, surf fishing, I keep telling people, you got so much room.
You
know?
The whole experience is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. It's not like any other kind of fishing, really. You know?
Yeah, most people see me surf fishing on the beach. They're like, what are you doing?
Like, what's going
Oh
on?
yeah, they
fishing.
walked up
They always walk up to you. What are you
Yeah.
fishing for? Surf
You're
birds.
actually catching
How?
them?
Yeah, exactly.
How do
yeah.
you do that?
It's not hard. It's
Let me show you.
most people don't know anything about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm glad the word is starting to spread.
Yeah.